Hello, in this video you'll learn all about organizing your assets in the Asset Manager. You'll learn how to filter, sort, and share your assets all from one place. You can find the Asset Manager here in Sprinklr Social under Digital Asset Management. At the top of the Asset Manager you'll see the search field where you can type in your queries. You can search by title, description, or any other relevant metadata. We also have further advanced search capabilities available, and to find out more about this, please get in touch with your Success Manager. Just below the search field, you'll find a standard set of filters. You can filter by campaign type, or by clicking Add Filter, you can choose a new filter. Once you've applied your filters, you can save them as a new board here, so you don't have to reapply them each time you load up the Asset Manager. Next, you can choose how you sort the assets by clicking here. You can choose from any of these date options, or you can sort by name. And just to the right here, you can set the sort to be ascending or descending. Lastly, once you've selected an asset, you can open the sharing options at the bottom of the page. From here, you can set the visibility to just you, everyone, or you can get more specific in the third tab here. You can choose workspaces, users, or user groups from the drop-downs and click Share. If you'd like further information on organizing your assets, you can check out the Knowledge Portal. To find it, click your user icon in the top right, choose Platform Help, and then Knowledge Portal. From here, you can use the search bar to find the information you're looking for. In this video, you've learned how to organize your assets through searching, filtering, sorting, and sharing. Thanks for watching.